Assalamu alaikum, welcome to another new video. Today we are going to learn about how to display square and cubes of the numbers from 1 to 10. So now we start our program, which is first we will write the command to display the number square and its cube from 1 to 10. Then we will clear our screen. For this we will write CLS. Then next we will use for loop for generating the number from 1 to 10. But before loop we use print command for headings, and our headings is numbers, square and cube. Now next we use our for loop. In for loop we will create one variable which produce number from 1 to 10. Then next we will create another variable for taking the square of number I, and for square we multiply I with I, and for multiplication we use asterisk sign. Then again we use one variable for cube, and for cube we also multiply the variable I 3 times. After that we print our results, and our results are our variables I, square and cube. For square we use S, and for cube we use C. Then we use next command, which shifts our loop to again variable I, and when our variable reaches the value 10, our program will be ended. End command. So that's all for today. Our program is completed. Now we run it, and for running the program we press F2, function key F2. Now our program is run, and now here you can see the number, their square and their cubes. 1 1 1, 2 square 4 and cube 8. And from 1 to 10 our program generate square and cubes. That's all for today. If you like this video, then kindly subscribe my channel and like this video. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.